Okay, does anybody else deal with mold and mildew on their shower curtain? As you can see, this is super gross, and I actually wash these pretty often, but I guess it wasn't often enough because I noticed this. So of course I'm throwing it away. I'm not even trying to save it, but I figured out the perfect solution and how to get rid of this completely and permanently. Okay, so this is my new shower curtain. Let me show you what it is. It's the Clorox Heavyweight Shower Curtain Liner. It's frosted, so I don't even have to deal with that other little liner. You could if you want to, but since this is frosted, this is the only one that I'm going to keep up. I know, yeah, real fancy. But let me show you some of the tips here. It's treated with a mildew-resistant agent. It has suction cups and hem magnets to keep the curtain in place, and rust-resistant metal grommets with reinforced top hem. So yeah, the suction cups, I don't care what shower curtain you are, you're not working too well. Okay, just wanted to show you the magnets. This is what they look like. There's 3 magnets along the bottom. And then here are the grommets at the top here. Okay, and even though this one is brand new, since I've had shower curtains very similar like this before, it really does keep the mildew away. Every once in a while you will have to go to the inside of the curtain at the bottom to wipe some soap scum away, but it really, really lives up to its job whenever it says it keeps the mildew away. It really does a pretty good job at it. That is my luxurious, super expensive, super nice shower curtain. No, I think it was only 10 bucks. But look, it's super cheap and it's mildew resistant, and it actually works. You can see that I literally just got it. Look at the pretty little imprints all in the curtain. But yeah, I just wanted to show that it actually works. It's really good and you don't have to worry about the mildew. So thanks for watching. Please share.